The realm of information technology has seismically shifted how society functions, changing everything from basic communication to international diplomacy. It's akin to a force that has redefined traditional boundaries and norms, propelling us into a world increasingly reliant on data, networks, and computing capabilities. The nuances are vast, so let's explore its roots, evolution, and its multifaceted impact on various aspects of our lives. Predecessors to the information age. The advent of the information age did not occur in isolation, it had precursors that laid the groundwork. The telegraph and early communication technologies, the telegraph, first developed in the 1830s, served as a significant advancement, allowing instant long-distance communication for the first time. It revolutionized news dissemination and impacted fields like commerce and military strategy. The printing press and mass media, introduced around 1440 by Johannes Gutenberg, the printing press democratized information by making books and newspapers more accessible, thus fueling the spread of knowledge and ideas. Early data storage systems. In the early 20th century, systems like punch cards were used to store and sort information, making data manipulation more manageable than ever before. Industrial age contributions. Technologies like the telephone and radio emerged in the industrial age, further improving communication and paving the way for the information age. Evolution of computing technologies. As we progressed into the mid-20th century, computing technologies underwent transformative changes. Vacuum tubes to transistors. Vacuum tubes powered the first generation of computers but were bulky and unreliable. The invention of the transistor in 1947 made computers smaller, more efficient, and more reliable. Introduction of microprocessors. The microprocessor, introduced in the early 1970s, was a game changer that enabled the miniaturization and increased power of computing devices. Rise of personal computers. The late 1970s and early 1980s saw the emergence of personal computers, making computing accessible to the general public for the first time. Advancements in graphics and processing capabilities. Modern GPUs and multi-core CPUs have given rise to significant advancements in graphics, simulation, and data processing, transforming industries like gaming, scientific research, and healthcare. Key milestones in information age history. The information age has its iconic moments that drastically shaped its course. ENIAC and the birth of modern computing. The electronic numerical integrator and computer, ENIAC, completed in 1945, was one of the first general-purpose computers, and it laid the groundwork for modern computing. The ARPANET project, funded by the U.S. Department of Defense, ARPANET was the early version of the Internet, making its debut in 1969. Release of the World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee introduced the World Wide Web in 1991, turning the Internet into a more accessible and user-friendly platform. Social media boom. The early 2000s saw the rise of social media platforms, changing the way humans communicate and share information on a global scale. Role of government and military in shaping the information age. Governmental and military initiatives have been catalysts in the development of information technology. Funding research and development. Governments worldwide have pumped money into R&D, particularly in the United States through agencies like DARPA. Internet regulation policies. Legislation such as the Communications Decency Act in the US has aimed to regulate online content and privacy. Cybersecurity initiatives. Governments have developed strategies and frameworks to defend against cyber threats, reflecting the importance of digital infrastructure. Military applications and contributions. The military has often been at the forefront of developing and adopting new technologies, including GPS and drones, which have civilian applications as well. The Internet's emergence and impact. The Internet has revolutionized various sectors and radically altered how we interact. Development of Internet protocols. The TCP/IP protocol suite, finalized in the 1980s, became the backbone of modern internet communication. Expansion of e-commerce. Companies like Amazon and eBay capitalized on the internet to create a new commercial landscape, rendering geographical limitations obsolete. Impact on social interactions. The internet has transformed social dynamics, allowing for the ease of global communication but also introducing complexities like cyberbullying and misinformation. The Internet of Things, smart devices, interconnected through the internet, are changing how we interact with our environment, from smart homes to industrial automation. Information age pioneers and visionaries. Certain individuals have left an indelible mark on the information age. Alan Turing and theoretical computing. Turing's work during World War II and his theories on computation form the foundation of computer science. Bill Gates and Microsoft. Gates co-founded Microsoft in 1975, which became instrumental in popularizing personal computing through its Windows operating system. Steve Jobs and Apple Incorporated. Jobs co-founded Apple in 1976, introducing iconic products like the iPhone and MacBook, revolutionizing consumer electronics. Tim Berners-Lee and the World Wide Web. Berners-Lee's invention of the World Wide Web made the Internet accessible and functional for the general public. Technological paradigm shifts in the information age. The information age has seen transformative shifts in how technology is used and accessed. From desktop to mobile, the late 2000s marked a shift from desktop computing to mobile platforms, making technology more personal and portable. Cloud computing revolution. The advent of cloud computing has democratized access to computational resources and data storage, altering the IT landscape. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies have begun to permeate multiple sectors, from healthcare to finance, promising automation and enhanced decision-making capabilities. Virtual and augmented reality. VR and AR technologies are redefining human-computer interaction, with applications in gaming, education, and medical training. International perspectives on the information age's evolution. The information age is a global phenomenon, with various regions contributing to its growth. Silicon Valley and US dominance. Silicon Valley has been a global leader in tech innovation, backed by venture capital and a culture of entrepreneurship. European contributions. Europe has made significant contributions in areas like data privacy regulations and academic research in computer science. Asia's rising tech industries. Asian countries, particularly China and South Korea, have rapidly growing tech industries, specializing in manufacturing and software development. Global digital divide. Despite technological advancements, a digital divide exists, where certain regions lack access to the internet and modern computing technologies. The role of academia in information age development. Educational institutions have been incubators for groundbreaking ideas and technologies. Computer science curricula. Universities worldwide offer computer science programs that equip students with the skills needed in the information age. Academic research contributions. Research institutions have been pivotal in advancing fields like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and data science. University-industry partnerships. Collaborations between academia and the private sector have facilitated the commercialization of innovative technologies. Intellectual property considerations. Issues around patents and copyrights have arisen, influencing the development and distribution of technology. The information age in the 21st century. As we navigate the 21st century, the information age continues to evolve, presenting both opportunities and challenges. Data privacy concerns. With the accumulation of vast amounts of data, concerns about privacy and data security are more pertinent than ever. Gig economy and remote work. Technological advancements have given rise to a gig economy and made remote work more feasible, changing traditional employment dynamics. Automation and job market shifts. Automation technologies threaten to displace certain job roles while creating new opportunities in other sectors. Future technologies and predictions. Emerging technologies like quantum computing and blockchain are poised to further transform the landscape in unpredictable ways. The influence of information technology on society is multidimensional and far-reaching, altering how we communicate, work, and even think. As we look toward the future, we are reminded that this age of information is not static, it continues to evolve, presenting a plethora of opportunities and challenges that will shape the coming generations.